Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video partnered up with JJsHOUSE, and so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of some wedding accessories, and I'm really excited. I know my channel is turning into only wedding videos at this point, but I promise that's not going to be everything from here on out. But today I wanted to share with you guys some goodies I got from them. And so I actually worked with their company in the past. I got some prom dresses from them and they were really good quality. And so I was really excited to partner up with them again today and show you guys some dresses that I could use for rehearsal dinner or for my bridal shower, and then a bunch of other little accessories like shoes and veil and jewelry and stuff. So I'm super excited to show you guys. So I actually have a discount code. It's adelyn10. So for all the items you see, I'll have them linked down below, but also just anything else you find on their site. They have prom dresses, bridesmaid dresses, wedding dresses, like different types of styles that you could use for lots of different things. So make sure to check out their website, but let's just go ahead and get into this video. But before then, actually make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. So like I mentioned before, I had partnered up with them before, and so I was super excited to get to show you guys some wedding accessories. I have a huge box over here, and I'm just gonna do a little haul of everything and show you guys what I found, and I'll have all the links and stuff. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the dresses first because I feel like that's the most fun part. And so I have 4 different ones, and I'll be showing you guys each one of them, and I'll try them on, and they'll be linked down below. Okay, so this is literally the box, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, like I mentioned before, there are 4 different dress styles. So this is the first one. It is a pure white color, and it has kind of a vintage style to it with the sleeves. They're like a lace with floral, and it's pretty long. Goes all the way down to the floor to my ankles, and so I could totally see myself wearing this for my like spring bridal shower next year. Okay, dress number 2. This one is really cute. It's super soft, so it's a little bit more fitted, and then it has these 2 sleeves that go off to the side, so it's like a one shoulder. Comes about a little bit past my knees, but the material is really nice, and it has this little like sticky part on the inside that helps like stick to your skin so it's not constantly falling. But I feel like the quality is honestly really good, and it's pretty affordable too for this style. So yeah, this one's really cute, and I feel like it's totally different from the other one, but still really stylish. Okay, this next one is white, but it almost looks like it has a little hint of lavender, and I like this one because it totally gave me like a 50s vintage vibe. So it has like this halter top, and then goes on like this. There's a little bow in the corner. So this one goes a little bit past my knees, and this one's also really good material. It has like a built-in bra into it, and it has this sleeve at the top or this neckline at the top that comes on and off. You can latch it. And so this one is, I think, was a bridesmaid's dress instead of a bridal shower rehearsal dinner dress, but I thought it was really cute to try on. So here's what it looks like. Okay, this next one is my favorite one. So this one is very similar to the first one I showed you guys, but it's a little bit different. Some might say I literally have like a grandma-y style, but I just think it's so cute. And so this one has lots of different layers, also goes down to about my ankles. And this material is really soft on the inside, which I really like because no one wants to be, you know, scratchy when they're trying to wear a dress in an event. I feel like that's like just the worst. And so this one has a ton of layers, and it's really pretty because it, you know, you can kind of like move it around a little bit. And so this one, I don't know if I'll end up wearing it or not, but I feel like it's super pretty, and I don't see why not. So yeah, I'll have the link for this one down below as well. Okay, next I wanted to show you guys some veils. So I don't have my wedding dress yet, so I don't really know what's going to end up complementing my wedding dress, just because I don't know what style I'll end up with. But I got 3 different styled veils. I'm not a huge fan of the super short veil. I really like the medium one. I actually love the look of the super long one, but I've noticed as like a wedding photographer how many people trip on their veil on their wedding day, and as beautiful as I think it is, I just think I would trip on mine. And so I picked out 3 medium length veils, but they had a ton of styles available on their website, which is nice. But this is a medium sized one. It's a lace one. It's a little bit like, not off-white, but it's kind of like has a blue colder undertone to it. And so it has this piece in the back, and this like makes me super excited to get married. But it has this lace detailing all around the like bottom and the edges, which I think is so pretty. I need to steam it, it's a little wrinkly, but just to like put in for perspective, you can see how long it is. It's obviously just a horrible job putting it in, but it's not super long, so it's like fingertip length, which is really nice. And I think that it's cool that they have so many styles on their website, so once I figure out what dress I'm wearing, I'll figure it out. But this is the first one. This is the second one. I don't know how big of a fan I am of it. It looks a little different online, but it has these little gems all around the outskirts of it, which I really like that style where it's not like a huge, you know, it's very dainty, and so it kind of goes all along the bottom. This one I feel like is around the same length as the other one. So it kind of just comes around like this, and this one's a little bit thinner. So if you want something really light and dainty and not super heavy, I feel like this is a good option. And the clip is pretty sturdy too. Obviously, I wasn't putting it in very well, but the clip is really sturdy too. So this one's really nice. Again, I would need to steam it, but let me show you guys the last one. This one is my favorite. All right, so this one's my favorite, and again, I don't know what dress I'm gonna end up with yet, but I'm kind of going in this direction of pearls for my wedding. I think it's just something I personally really love and feel like it's super classic for a wedding. And so this one, when I saw it online, I was like, oh, I love this one. So it has pearls all along, all throughout. I don't know if you can see, which is so pretty to me, and it has kind of like enough fabric that it kind of like bunches up together instead of being super thin. So it's really, really pretty. And then next to the pearl is like a little gem connecting it. And so this one too has a pretty good length, and I feel like is super, super pretty. So I don't know what wedding dress I'll end up with, but hopefully this will match it. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys is some shoes. And so my fiance is 5'5" and I'm 5'6", so I have agreed to wear flats, which I think are more comfortable anyways. I see most people wearing heels and taking them off anyways. And so these ones are really, love that. These ones are really pretty pearl one. I picked out all pearl stuff just because I thought they were just so pretty. So these flats have little pearl flowers on them, and then the band around like your ankle is also pearls. And I feel like it's so pretty, this contrast of like the pearl color with the white color. And so they have these, are super affordable, honestly, for wedding shoes. I feel like compared to some other sites I've seen, these are a really good deal. And so just make sure to pay attention to the sizing for the European sizing versus like American size. Look up like a sizing chart. I would recommend going down a half size or a size just because they fit me a little bit larger. And so you guys can find these with a link down below too, but let me show you the other ones. Okay, I absolutely love these ones. I feel like they're super classy. And so they have the white pointed toe, it's like a nice silk, and then the band is also pearls with a little hint of gold, which is super pretty, and then the little bow I love. And I don't even know if my shoes will end up showing or not, but if they do, I'm like, even if they peek out a little bit, you could just see these are super cute. And what I love about this pair is that there's no back to it, so there's no like rubbing of your ankle all night, because I feel like that just hurts so bad. And so these ones are really, really cute. So this next pair, I feel like I always dream them up on Pinterest, but to see them in real life is like so cute. So these are like ballet shoes kind of. They have a little bit of a heel on them, and then these tie all the way up your ankles. And I just feel like they're so cute and really classic, and they do match with anything, which is nice, especially for someone that doesn't have their dress yet. I'm not sure, so I'm like, maybe I'll end up going with these, but they could also be really cute for rehearsal dinner or for the bridal shower, any other bridal events coming up. I really think these are just a classic option, and I feel like I can wear these again. They're not like necessarily my wedding shoes that I can never wear again. I feel like these are really versatile, so also really affordable. And next, I did want to try at least one pair of heels if I wear them for my bridal shower or something, but these ones are really similar to the flats, but they're just a heels version, and I think these are so cute. The strap is even with the flowers, and they have a little bit of hint of the pearls on there too. And so these ones are really, really cute. I love how it goes all the way down the back, and they're not super tall, but they're still really nice. Has a little gem on the side, and I feel like they're just really classic and really cute for spring. I think just because I have a spring wedding, I was like, oh, I love all the flower prints. I feel like it's just super classic. So okay, you guys might think I'm really funny for this, but I'm not sure if I'll end up using this exact one from JJ's house or not, but I really wanted a shawl because at night your wedding gets cold for most people, and so I wanted something that was classic. This one's kind of a more lighter material, so it's more for looks than like warmth. But I wanted something because I've just watched so many brides get freezing on their wedding night, especially for like strapless or spaghetti strap dresses. So I wanted something really cute and stylish, and this one was really inexpensive. And so you can find this one, I think, for about $10, which is really nice because I feel like it totally adds, especially if you're going for like a Hollywood look or anything like that. I feel like this is just a perfect accessory to bring out at the reception. So yeah, this one's really fun. You can wear it kind of like down here on your arms or more on your shoulders. I feel like this would be really good for like wintertime weddings too. So yeah, this one's really cute, and it's long enough for, you know, different sizes, even though it's a one size fits all. So yes, I think this one's really cute. All right, this next item was the only item I showed Damien from this box just because I was so excited. So I feel like JJ's House has a lot of things on their website you might not have thought about that are still really inexpensive. So I got this customized hanger for my dress, and being a photographer, I know I always appreciate a nice hanger for the dress to go on instead of the one it came with. And so this one says Mrs. Beltran on it with the pearls, which are my favorite, and then it says Damien and Adelyn, our wedding date and our year. And so this was completely customizable. I could have chosen what I wanted, so I just chose our names, and they have like two little lovebirds at the top and the 2023. And honestly, I was expecting this to be like painted on, but it's actually like engraved on there, and you can see the material. So it's really nice, and it'll look so cute, you know, just with the dress hanging down. And it just totally adds to your photos and just to your experience, and you know, just hanging in the room, it just looks super cute. Okay, and then I had three little small accessories that I picked out. So I found these really pretty dangle earrings. They're pearls, and they're gold, and then they have the little stud at the top. These are really inexpensive and super pretty. They had a ton of jewelry on their website, but I mostly just picked the pearl ones because I wanted to use them. These ones I think are so cute, and I can totally see them going with the vibe of my wedding. They have just like the pearl in the middle and then the gold little diamonds on the outside. And so I find these to be very classy and very princessy, which was what I'm going for. And then they had a lot of different garters on there. I picked these two white ones. And so I'm not sure if I'm going to end up doing a garter toss, but I was like, well, I have some just in case I want to do it. I probably will, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So I have these two, but they had a ton. They had blue ones on there too, if you wanted that to be your something blue. So these are also really affordable. I can't remember how much they were, but I think they were less than $10, which is really nice. All right, guys, well, that is all for today. I'm really excited about all these wedding accessories and just everything that they sent me. And if you guys want to use my code, it's adelyn10. Go check out their website. They have a ton of different stuff on there. I'm sure you'll find something if you're a bride of 2023 or 2022 still looking for some stuff. They have a ton of options. And for prom season next year, if you're going to start in the new year looking for your prom dress, I totally recommend them. I had 3 different prom dresses back in 2020, I think, and they were all really, really good quality, and they weren't super expensive. I was worried about buying online, but they were really, really nice. And so I totally recommend checking them out. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your week. As always, if you have any prayer requests, my DMs are open on Instagram at adelyn, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.